Home Secretaries of both India and Pakistan will meet today in New Delhi in the backdrop of Wednesday's cricket encounter in Mohali. Now, Indian Home Secretary G.K. Pillai and his Pakistani counterpart Chaudhry Qamar Zaman will hold the first ever Home Secretary level talks since 26/11. But cricket diplomacy apart, the two delegations are expected to focus on terrorism. Joining us live is Nikunj. Nikunj, how likely and strongly is India to take up the matter of Pakistan shielding the perpetrators of 26/11?
I think from the Indian point of view, Neha, my own impression is that that's the most robust, that's the most strong, and that's the most potent point that they would be trying to put across during that meeting. Because at least the Indian side is going with a single track purpose, single track mind in that meeting, and that is to make sure that not only the perpetrators, the masterminds of Mumbai 26/11 are brought to book, but key issues like handing over of the voice samples, if not to India, if not to India, then to a second country or a third country, to authenticate, just to verify what India has been proclaiming, that the key masterminds have been on the Pakistani soil, is also remains a very key agenda point to discuss in that entire meeting. And of course, as you were mentioning in the beginning, that Wednesday's Mohali encounter obviously remains a very key point to discuss here. Pakistan has made certain noises from their soil that they are trying to do their utmost to stop terror directed at Cricket World Cup, and they are trying to make sure that no untoward incident happens. India would obviously like to get any more potent leads that Pakistanis can provide them to make sure that that encounter, at least where the prime ministers of two countries are likely to be present, passes off peacefully. And then of course there are usual agenda points of fake Indian currency notes, of cross-border infiltration, of firing from LOC and international border also in Punjab. So those are the points that India is trying to take up. And the Pakistanis obviously would trying to put their best foot forward, trying to say that they are doing their utmost to make sure that no terror activity directed at India emanates from their soil.